Hi, today we're going to take an unboxing review of this airgun cleaning kit by Umarex. Never really quite heard of this company, Umarex, before, but yeah, this is what they'll be making. So it says kit for, so it's the airgun cleaning kit, fit for most makes and models of airsoft rifles and air pistols. So it's going to be between a 177 and a 22 caliber. So if you have any airsoft guns and rifles and revolvers and pistols and stuff like that, that's between a 177 and a 22 caliber. That's what it's going to be designed to fit and clean, to take care of maintenance. Now I actually picked this up over at Walmart, as you can see here by the clearance sticker. Originally Walmart was going for $13.97. I got it on clearance for $3.50. I'm like, I don't care. $3.50. There's no way I'm passing on this opportunity to get one of these. I own airsoft BB rifle guns and stuff. So I'm like, definitely I want to keep them nice and clean and maintenance for $3.50. Yeah, I'm definitely putting it up. But here's the odd thing. At Walmart, I go down, the guns and ammo, slash hunting and fishing aisle, in that little section. I'll be looking at, all the guns in the case, and the CO2 cartridges, and, the BBs and the airsoft accessories like the scopes and holsters and stuff. And on a shelf, or even behind a little glass case, I have never seen this there, which is odd. I seen it there in the clearance aisle, but actually on the shelf for the full price, the $13.95. Never seen it. And I go down the aisle like almost all the time to see what's the new products that they got in, anything that I could use. Could I use this holster, this swing, Oh, they got a scope that looks nice, something like that, or a gun case or anything. And no, never seen this product on the shelf in that aisle. Yeah, I find it in the clearance aisle. That's just completely odd. But I don't know if you know this, but this company here, Pyramid Air Gun Mail. So this company, they're a pretty good company, I would say. I never personally bought anything from them from their website, but if you remember the, was it the speed loader? I want to say it was the speed loader. It could have been the ester shells of BBs for my chauffeur model number 3. Could have been those. I believe it was from that and not the speed loader that I bought from them from Amazon. But personally from the website, I never actually bought anything from the website. But they do seem like they are a pretty good company. And then right here on page 10, let me try to get the camera to focus a little bit better. Right there, page 10 from their company. Now this one's in volume 15, so you probably won't have volume 15 because where I don't remember when volume 16. That's just, yeah, 15. Volume 15 came out. But they're located in Ohio, so if you want to know where this company's located, Ohio is where they're located. I'll put the PyramidArms.com website and their phone number down there in the description, so you can go check them out for yourself. Because like I said, look, same as that kit. The same as that kit. Kind of hard holding the page and showing you the kit side by side, but yeah, same as that thing. They're charging $12 for it here. But do remember, you're not actually going to be paying $12.95. You're going to be paying $12.95 plus whatever taxes is, plus a shipping charge. So you might be like, oh man, $12.95, that's cheap. But by the time you actually get it, it might be like, who knows, like maybe $19.05 or something. By the time you pay, the total sales tax along with the shipping charge, because you know they're probably going to be having a shipping charge because they don't have free shipping. At least I don't think this company has free shipping. If they don't have free shipping, then you gotta be paying for shipping, which definitely brings it up from $12.95 to who knows how much their shipping charge is. But yeah. So yeah, now the back of this is actually rubberized, which is kind of nice. So it's not going to slip or anything. It's going to be a little bit more sturdy. And I like how this is not cut off, like not a little plastic tag. So if you do have a shelf, you could definitely hang this up on a shelf, which is kind of nice. Now I just got to figure out how to pop these little pins out of here. Could you see these little pins here? And here, that's preventing this case from being open. I'm not exactly sure how to pop them out. So it's a nice little anti-theft type of design, but trying to figure out how to pop these things out. And you can't just cut them because they're way too thick to cut with a pair of scissors. So it's like, how do you actually get it open? So now I gotta go through all my little arsenal of stuff to try figuring out how do I actually get this thing open. I really wish that they would have done it a little bit better, like with maybe a slide and lock mechanism. So I had to use a pair of nail clippers to slide it in there and then get it. Hopefully you can see a little bit with this one what I am trying to do. And I just slid it all the way past it. So let me try to slide this on in here. Yeah, after I slid it in there, then I just pulled it. And this one wants to be a little bit of an a-hole on me today. Huh. Okay. Okay, that one, I'm going to have to lop its little head off. Because it doesn't want to cooperate. I still got a piece of it stuck in there. Huh. Yeah, the bottom one came off easily. The top one. Yeah, so I feel this video might be in 2 parts due to how long it took to snap those little pieces off. Don't know why they designed it that way, but that's how they did. So yeah, just in case if this video gets cut into 2 parts, don't forget to hit that notification bell, the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Okay? So we get this little wire in here. I believe this was in there too. Somewhere. These, which we're going to be taking later, and they're also in the pyramid arms, but some drill bits. So not drill bits, but some screwdrivers. Don't know why I call them drill bits. So you got some screwdrivers and stuff in there. Nothing on the inside there. This little handle, it's got something there, there, and there. Really more about it. Right now I'm just kind of going through some of the parts. The little adapter. I'm trying to remember where each piece went. Some cleaning rods here. Some cleaning brushes, which I don't know why this one doesn't really want to come out. There we go. So now we could close up the case and take a look in the back. Oh, everything that we get. So a 33-inch flex cleaning rod right here. A 177 and a 177 and a 22 caliber nylon brush. Right there. And then again a 177 and a 22 caliber cleaning mop. Right there. 15 177 and 15 22 cleaning pellets, which are what these little things are. Cleaning pellets. Flex cleaning rod retainer grommet. That's this little piece that would go on here, so you can retrieve, your flex cleaning rod.